Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over report categories. So I'm in the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us, and I'm in reports. If you don't know how to get to reports, it is the menu button here at the top left, and then reports. And I'm just in the default report, which is daily summary. And I'm scrolled all the way down to the bottom until I found report categories. And it may not be on the bottom for you. It kind of depends on your screen size. So I'm in report categories, and then if you notice here, I've got a report category called unknown. And that's not because I named one unknown. That's because I have some items that don't have a report category assigned to them. So this is bad. I don't like seeing this. So I'm able to find out which ones they are. I'm going to click on this unknown name here. If you don't know this about reports already, pretty much everything in here is interactable. This is one of my favorite features of Heartland. So I'm going to click on unknown here, and it's going to show me that the item 12 donuts has an unknown report category. We're going to go check that out. We're going to go to the menu icon up here at the top and then go down to account menu. Now there's a couple places we can look. First place I'm going to go is items, and then I'm going to go to the 12 count items, or the 12 count donuts. Now we're in here now. If we scroll down some, about halfway, we'll see report categories. We can see here that there's no report category assigned. Now, if I click in here and I start typing something and it's not in the system yet as a report category, so it's never been created, then you'll get this new icon next to it. And the only way I can add this is to hit the enter button. We'll add it. I don't want to do that. I don't want to create that one there. So I'm going to choose one from the list, and let's say, oh, this 12 donuts was supposed to be in donuts. If I choose donuts, I hit save. And I make sure you get your save successful down here at the bottom, and then we close. Now if we go back to reports, and I'm going to put just last month in here as the date range. I'm going to scroll all the way back down to the bottom here. Now we see that the unknown is gone. It rolled it up into the donuts category. Now let's see how we can create one from scratch. So I'm going to go back to the menu here and then go back to account menu and report categories, 5 or 6 down. So here's all the report categories. Here's that one we just named. I'm going to choose this one and actually delete this one. So just this delete button down here is going to completely remove it from my active list. If I want to see deleted, go to show deleted categories if I wanted to renew it. Now let's say, for example, I want to know how many sausage rolls I sold. Now, let's say I've got 2 or 3 different kinds and I really don't want to go. I can go into a report and view like an item report and look at how many I sold and then add them all up. Or I can create its own report category. So enable to create a new category, you go to new up here at the top. And let's just call it sausage rolls. And then we're going to assign some items to it. I'm going to add some cheese sausage rolls and dozen, the 6 count, the 12 count, and then the jalapeno. Now it is going to take these out of the food category because you can only have one report category assigned at a time. And take these out of food and put them into the new sausage rolls. And hit save. Got my save successful, and I'm ready to exit out of this. And go ahead and publish the changes here. Now if I go back to the menu and then go back to reports and then go back to last month. Now if I scroll down, I should see I have my sausage rolls category, and now I can see exactly how many sausage rolls I sold last month. Anyway, that's how you view them and that's how you add them. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.